Hello everyone, I trust you're all having a great day. Today I'd like to talk about a topic that's not only popular but also significantly influencing modern society. That is nothing but data science. As we all know, data surrounds us everywhere, and its volume is increasing at an exponential rate. For example, due to consumption of the internet, mobile usage, smart cars like Tesla, and even execution of modern business are resulting in this data generation. The need for individuals who can interpret this data and turn it into meaningful insights is more important than ever. Data science combines programming skills, statistical knowledge, and domain expertise. This enables us to extract meaningful information from data. Data science is used as a tool by organizations. This enables them to make choices and can lead to improve their processes and encourage growth in new ways. It also plays an important role in today's era, where big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning are becoming more common. For those of you looking to explore data science as a career path, you're stepping into a world of opportunities. Let's us understand the importance of data science further and why we need to pick this as a career path. Choosing data science as a career path is an excellent decision, but it's only one side of the coin. As the IT industry evolves rapidly, the Indian graduates face unique challenges. With the growing trend towards automation and artificial intelligence, the industry is moving towards less human-oriented tasks, resulting in job losses on one side and job creation on the other. To ensure that your skills are aligned on the side of job creation, you need to have a strong foundation in data science. It requires a consistent and systematic approach to learning and development. At this point, you might be wondering how to build that strong foundation. The answer is simple: invest your time and effort consistently, with the right guidance and mentorship by leveraging the right training. Consistency is the key to mastering any skill, and data science is no exception. By investing your time consistently, you can build a strong foundation in the fundamentals of data science, such as statistics, programming, and machine learning. But consistency alone is not enough. You also need a systematic approach to learning and development. This means setting clear goals, tracking your progress, and seeking feedback from mentors and peers. And that's where the right guidance and mentorship come in. With the right guidance, you can learn from experienced professionals. Well, at the same time, this should not cost students in lakhs, and rather this should be quite affordable to college-going students. TDS Education division came up with a program called Mastery in Data Science, which consists of free international curated courses, and this can provide complete guidance, step-by-step course completion approach, and enables you to gain real-time practical skills with flexibility in time. Students need to invest just 1 to 2 hours in a day and complete the training. In summary, to be on the side of job creation in the rapidly evolving IT industry, you need to have a strong foundation in data science. To achieve this, you need to subscribe to our program, which empowers you to invest your time consistently with a systematic approach under the right guidance and mentorship. So, are you ready to take the next step in your data science journey while pursuing your graduation? Join us by clicking the link below by expressing your interest.